In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use funnels in Mixpanel. Funnels show how people move through a sequence of events in your product and where they drop off. They're essential for answering questions like how many people who start a sign up actually finish it, or where purchases get stuck. Let's build one together. Start by opening Mixpanel and heading to your project's home. From there, find the Create New button. This opens a panel with different analysis types. Choose Funnel to start a new funnel report. You'll land on the funnel builder. To define the journey, click Select Step to pick your first event. This is the action that begins the flow you want to analyze, things like viewed landing page, signed up, or started checkout, depending on your tracking. After you choose it, Mixpanel adds that as step 1 in the funnel. Now add the next action in the sequence. Click Select Step again and choose the event that represents progress, such as added payment info or completed purchase. Each selection should reflect a meaningful milestone so you can see how people advance. Keep going until you've captured the core moments you care about. As you add steps, Mixpanel automatically calculates the conversion between them, so you can immediately spot where drop-off happens. With your steps in place, it's time to refine who's included. Click Filter to narrow the audience for this funnel. Filters let you focus on specific users or sessions by properties like platform, country, plan, or campaign. For example, you might analyze only mobile traffic or only people on a certain pricing tier. Simple, well-chosen filters make your results easier to interpret and help you isolate the factors that matter. To compare performance across segments, click Breakdown. A breakdown splits your funnel by a property, such as device type, marketing channel, or geography, so you can see which group converts best at each stage. This is incredibly useful for uncovering opportunities, like a step that works well on desktop but not on mobile, or a campaign that brings in high-intent visitors. That's the basic workflow. Open Mixpanel, create a new report, select Funnel, define your steps with Select Step, fine-tune with Filter, and explore differences with Breakdown. Once you understand these pieces, you can quickly diagnose friction, prioritize improvements, and track the impact of changes over time. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing. See you next time.